I want to make a Knit to Pro 2 hat to go with my fingerless gloves, and we're going to be using double pointed needles this time. And so I am using number 4 worsted yarn, the same as the gloves, and these are number 8 US needles with a long needle. It doesn't matter if it's circular or straight. Cast on 88 stitches. So let's see what, this is the tail part. Okay, 88 stitches, and you do it like this. Very softly. You don't want tight rows at the beginning. So 4, 10, and cast on 88. So what I want to do now is divide the 88 stitches into 4 needles, and that will give me 22 on each. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and like that you put them on like on a flat surface, so you can see that they're all looking toward the outside. I'll come back and show you what they look like. So now all the stitches, the base stitches, are looking toward the inside, and I have 22 stitches on each needle. This is the tail and this is the working yarn. So with your 5th needle, you're going to start picking up these stitches and knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. I'll come back and show you how. So you pick up the needle with the working yarn and the one next to it. So now you're going to pick up your 5th needle and you're going to start working these stitches on the other needle. So make sure that all of them are very close, so as not to leave a gap. So knit and knit, purl and purl. So the first row or 2 are a little bit messy because that's what it is. But once you get going, it's a piece of cake. So purl 2. These needles make a lot of noise, but that's okay. Knit 2 and purl 2, and I'll see you when I get to a section between the needles. So I'm at the end of that first section, and this is purl 2. No, it's knit 2. And now I have the empty needle, and that is the one that I'm going to be using to start with the next needle. So if I purl 2, knit 2, that means this time I need to purl 2. So purl 2 and knit 2. These can go in the middle. So purl 2 and knit 2. And I'll see you when I finish the round. Okay, so I'm at the end of the first round, and I end with purl 2. Now I pick up my empty needle and start knitting. So now you just go around and around and around and it will be okay. So now, of course, this is going to be a knit. There's something going on there. Let's fix it. Okay. So, pick up your stitches. Make sure that the others don't go anywhere. Put them in the middle of your needles and keep knitting. So, knit 2 and purl 2. And then I'll see you when So after I knitted 7 inches, I started taking off for the crown, and on the first round I am doing knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, and purl 2 stitches together. So again, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, and purl 2 stitches together. Okay, so after that first round, you are going to knit as it shows. That means you're going to knit the knits and purl the purls. So let's do that. It is going to be knit, knit, purl, purl, knit, knit, and purl 1. And so let's do that again. Knit, knit, purl, purl, knit, knit, and purl 1. And now I'll come back when I finish this round. So the third row of the takeoff part for the crown is going to be knit 2, purl 2 stitches together, knit 2, and purl 1. Again, you're going to knit 2, purl 2 stitches together, knit 2, and purl 1. Now, row or round number 4 of the takeoff is the same as number 2. I mean, like, do whatever the stitch shows. So in this case, it's going to be knit 2, get this out of the way, and purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, the whole round. And I'll see you when I finish this. So the next round is going to be knit 1 and knit 2 stitches together. Knit 1, and knit 2 stitches together. Knit 1 and knit 2 stitches together, and you do that the whole round. Knit 1 and knit 2 stitches together. Okay, so then that was round number 5. In round number 6 you knit around, just knit. So knit, and I'll see you when I finish this one. On round number 7 of the takeoff, let me get this out of the way. I knit 2 and knit 2 stitches together. Knit 2 and knit 2 stitches together. Knit 2 and knit 2 stitches together, and then round number 8 you knit all the stitches. So I'll see you when I finish doing that. So on row number 9 I knit 2 and knit 2 stitches together. So again, knit 2 and knit 2 stitches together. I'm going to knit this one, and then on the next round you only knit 1. So go around only knitting 1 without taking off. So after doing the last row of knitting all 2 together, I am going to take a needle, blunt needle, and pass. So cut it nice and long so you can pass your stitches along while the yarn is double. See, there's going to be a little tail left there. So take your needle saw, pass your stitches onto your needle. There we go. There we have it. Now make sure that it's nice and tight. All your stitches are into there, and then put your needle inside where all of them meet and kind of pull pretty tight onto the inside. So that's my other tail, it's going to stay there. So pull at those stitches and make a knot, a pretty good knot on the inside of the hat. There we go. And now we can weave in the ends. So let's see. I'll do one by one. And just weave them on the inside. And you do that with the beginning also. So there it is. Thank you very much for watching, and share us with your friends. Like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I'll take some pictures of this.